From me little and a step, me a get gal. Never have to spend a check. From me little and a step, me a get gal. Never have to spend a check. Yo, from me little and a step, me a get gal. Never have to spend a check fi go get gal. Gal a soak from sweat when me check gal. Gal a cry and a stress when me left gal. From me little and a step, me a get gal. Never have to spend a check fi go get gal. Gal a soak from sweat when me check gal. Gal a cry and a stress when me left gal.
What is up? What is up, guys? It's your boy Danny British, man. Yo, on my way to the freaking river. You know what I'm saying? We outside. So, hope you guys having a good freaking weekend. Man. Hey guys, it's your boy Danny British. Man, how are you guys doing? It's been a while. I've been so busy. I'm actually on a lunch break, grabbing some Mexican food because I love Mexican food. I'm getting the Rico special. I don't even know what to explain it is. It's like all 3 meats with beans. I'll show you. And my girlfriend is getting the, what you got, babe?
Chili Ranos.
Chili Ranos. And then once we leave here, we gonna go drop off some stuff that I just bought. I just bought gasoline. The price wasn't too bad. Well, I think I'm used to the price now. It was like $4.10, and I spent like $200 to fill 8 containers. Yeah, so that wasn't bad. It's terrible, but it wasn't bad. That's how it was. It wasn't bad. It's beyond bad now. It's terrible. God damn. The price is out of control. So I spent that. Then after that, we're gonna go spend the weekend at one of your mom's spot, right? With a pool in it. I ain't gonna go in the pool. I drowned. I almost drowned when I was a kid. After that, I don't even shower. When was the last time I showered? I think 2019. I've been social distancing from water. I think that's what they're putting the stuff in. Start a whole conspiracy. But babe, I've been thinking the other day, because I've been with a lot of women in my time. A lot of women. And now, I'm here at this point. And I realize all the women I've been with, it's not I've never had love from these women, and I've never had love for them, but I never had peace. I think it's the first time I found peace in a woman, and I feel like that's what a man needs, peace. You know, peace. I think a lot of women have power issues where they feel like they have to lead because they can't trust their leader. But how can you trust someone that you got yourself involved with? Why get yourself involved in the first place if you can't trust the leadership of your man? And that creates frustration.
Baby, that's my destiny. You know my destiny. Yes, me up to my bed. I'm so like a play. Them niggas you with all that. Them niggas you with all that. Baby, that's my destiny. You know my destiny. Yes, me up to my bed. I'm so like a play. Them niggas you with all that. Them niggas you with all that. With niggas I play no game. 24 karat my chain. DBS is on my face. You cannot afford my test. I get so high like a satellite. Hit the moon.
Lucy, what's up, man? Long time. Me I have a daughter on him, you know. On our way to road trip. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Man, hope you guys have a good Memorial weekend, man. I'm about to take me a mini vacation. You know what I mean? Me and my baby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And beans. Bringing beans with us. That's right.
Real bad man, no officer, them gangster. You chat to man. Fuck around the dance and get gunshot. You chat to man. On the internet, you love make tough chat. You chat to man. Catch you in the street, a straight gunshot. You chat to man. Real bad man, no officer, them gangster. You chat to man. Fuck around the dance and get gunshot. You chat to man. On the internet, you love make tough chat. You chat to man. Catch you in the street, a straight gunshot. Boy, come on, never know say me a talk hard rifle. Talk back, how you love to talk.
So man, that sketchy place, that little weird place right there, it's a strip club called Centerfolds, right? So one time, man, me and my guys, we took a trip, came out here to the strip club. First time going in, man, sketchiest joint. So a girl, one of the dancers, she freaking took a liking to one of my friends. So she decided that she was gonna give him a free dance. So they went around to the back to get the free dance. So while they're at it, we're just out there standing, just looking around like deers. Like fucking guy, I don't know if that guy was drinking too much or whatever. He just walked up to me. He was like, "So what are you guys doing? Are you guys gonna buy a dance? Or you guys gonna leave? Because the club's gonna close soon and we don't want the crowd unless you're gonna buy a dance or you go to the door." And I just never liked his tone. I don't know, it just felt like he was talking to me wrong in a condescending manner. So I was like, yo, we're not leaving. And for a matter of fact, our friend is in the back getting a dance, so we're definitely not leaving our friend behind. He's like, "You gotta get a dance or get the fuck out." This motherfucker didn't know who he was talking to, buddy. Oh my god. Yo, I remember when he said that, I just looked at him. I was like, "Go fuck your mom, bitch." Like, I'm not leaving. I wasn't even upset. I was like, I'm not leaving. And then I did this. If you're not a bumbo clot, fuck, my friend in the back. And if you think me I go bumbo clot left in this, you get a problem. Me kick over every pussy bumbo clot thing up in this. I want to your pussy. I want to you. Oh man, that motherfucker, ooh, shook like a bitch. The manager had to run, come down. I was like, "Oh, we don't want no trouble. We don't want no trouble. It's okay, guys. It's okay. You guys are okay. We don't want no trouble. You know, we can all live in love here. Let's enjoy some of the girls, huh?" And he called over a group of girls to come fucking entertain us. But we were so upset. We weren't even feeling it. We were like, as soon as our friend was done, because this motherfucker had no idea what was going on. So as soon as our friend was done, we was up and out of that joint. Never been back. That shit is a sketchy place. Fucking weirdos. But yeah, I had to rough up that, man. I have to rough up that little boy, man. And nigga think I'm someone to fucking play with. Just slap the shit out of him and piss on him in the end. That's fucking with.
Danny British. Yeah. Brits London. Brits London. Yeah, man. Yeah. Live life right. Oh, I live my life clean. Live it clean. Oh, I live my life clean. Not sure. High grade hair, marijuana, smoking, King Kong, mama. Yeah. No time for drama, mama. Fire. Rasta, na. Wake up, Heineken, herbs in a me hand. Jumping on me, riding a man. Police pull me over, the you high in a man. But me rich, a lot's on my mind in a man. Coming from the ghetto, check his situation. Trial and crosses, tribulation. Every day ghetto youth.
So man, guys, I'm out here in a different part of Cali, boy. I didn't even know this part exists. It's so relaxing out here, man. But you know me, I had to come get fucking tobacco. For real. Man, I haven't seen a fucking payphone in like 25 years. Like 1995, I think was when I saw my last payphone. Maybe that's a lie. I don't know. But definitely over 15 fucking years. I haven't seen a payphone in fucking years. God damn. Like, the thing has a keypad on it. And a part to put coins. Like insert coins there. I wonder if it works. Bruh. I should freaking go put coins on it. Let's see. How much money I got here. I'll see if I can call somebody. Man, fuck that. I ain't got time to go check. You think that payphone work, babe?
Possibly. Probably. Why would it not work?
It's so old.
So?
Payphone work.
Are you sure?
I kind of want to test it, but I just don't feel like getting out of the truck right.
Every day ghetto youth fight to stay strong. Who no have father, glad we join gang. Hustle us till down now, going all out. Investing hard now, money all above ETI, Vanguard, investment start. Crypto, Bitcoin, me watch the chart. My smart investments took me far. Happiness and joy are the plan. Yeah. Never let them catch you doing wrong. Yeah, we punish you, man. What?